What's going on YouTube? I'm back. Not that I was ever really too visible on YouTube, but this is my first video back in months. I did say, and I did have other videos that I'd filmed, a few hikes and a camping trip, but I didn't get around to making them because I was so sick of using iMovie, like the app on the Mac. Just got so sick of using that, and I just felt like I'd exhausted it, and I was just so sick of using it. And I knew that I had to make the step to, you know, a better software, which has brought me to Premiere. It took months. The first time I tried to use it, I just couldn't figure it out. There was just too much going on. And then yeah, it's brought me to 4, 5 months, 6 months later. I've figured out how to use Premiere. Very basic. It's kind of, yeah, very amateur stuff, but I just, you know, need to start somewhere and just start putting content out again and just learning the basics and just slowly moving forward. First video back. I'm out here in Rossland in British Columbia. Brought myself a mountain bike, and yeah, I've been loving it. Been loving riding so much. Been really enjoying riding. Like, feel like a little kid again. It's just, it's so fun. Right now, it's kind of, there's still like snow on all of the trails. There's only one trail open, and it's a black. Went down it once. It's just all rocky and like just too technical for me right now. I just, didn't really like it. Actually fell off and smashed my knee on a rock. It fucking hurt. So anyway, this video, found the local bike park. It's actually the smaller bike park in Rossland, and it was one of the only places that was starting to like clear up from snow, because I wanted to ride so bad, like, and I couldn't find any dirt. So I went down there, like raked some snow off all the features, and it's presented itself. And so I just thought I'd get in there and fix it up. Spoke to a few of the locals. They were stoked. Like, they would really appreciate me going in there, like, you know, fixing it up and just giving it a bit of a rebuild. Been having fun with it. So I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Probably gonna do a few more videos after this, just time lapses and just real basic stuff. But yeah, gonna try and make some nice riding content and some building content. So yeah, should be fun. Stay tuned. Let's get it. going on YouTube? In the last video, you would have seen the time lapse of what I did to this place. I've just come back, it's the next day now. Gonna show you the jumps and gonna jump them today. So I'll give you a little look around the place. So this is the first one. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Put a little step up in there. So just try the new jumps out. Yeah, I mean, they're definitely better than what they were, but still just, by the time you're in the air, you just gotta bring the nose down. I mean, like, they are fun, you know, still get a little bit of air time. It's always good to be in the air. But I don't know, it's just hard because it's meant to be like a kids park. I've been having like parents and their kids come down, and like it's a lot of little kids, because this bike park is like the smaller bike park in Rossland. It's like the little kid park. So I don't know, I've got so many ideas for good lines, but yeah, I don't know. There's a few other lines that I'm gonna do. I'll show you. So I've got this this line here. Come down, double that, double, pump this, pump over that, manual through there, drop over that, and you come down through here, hit that, and go into there. But I want to make a line coming through here, pump over this, come over, and launch somewhere off here, maybe into there, or down into that bank there. Definitely got a few ideas for some lines. This place, I feel like it's got a bit of potential. It's just the layout of it it's in a good spot. You got a good drop-in platform up there. Yeah, there's plenty of dirt here. It's already got a good foundation to put little technical hits. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can play with and build some stuff. So now I've got this thought to turn this jump here into a roller. I'll show you what I'm thinking. Turn this into a bit of a roller, speed check, come down and hit this and transfer into there. Up here. Alright, so I just checked the speed to that transfer, so I'm gonna play you guys a time lapse of chopping this last tabletop down into a roller, and gonna build a transfer over that gap. Through there. So now I just want to check the speed before I like shape it too much. So I'm gonna check the speed. Made it a bit shorter this time again, but I just don't think, I've been like speed checking it, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get the speed for what I want for that transfer. But I'm going to give it one last speed check, and if that doesn't work, probably just going to flatten it out and make it a big tabletop. I'm aborting the transfer. It's not going to get enough speed. Just going to make it into a big table. Maybe like a big step up. Be nice. Let's do it.